So in this part we are going to take a look at testing for browser cache weaknesses. Okay, so browser caching is provided for improved performance and better end user experience. However, when sensitive data is typed into the browser by the user, such data can also be cached in the browser history. This cached data is visible by examining the browser's cache or simply by pressing the browser's back button. Okay, so let us take a look at how we can do it. Okay, so what we are going to do, we are going to log in Matilde application as admin with the password admin. Okay, so now from there we are going to go back. So let's go inside here. We are going to type our VM, our OWASP VM IP address like that, and from there we are going to go to this. We are going to be taken to this web page, and then we are going to scroll down, and then we click OWASP Matilde 2 application. Okay, and from there, as you can see, we can click advanced, and then accept the risk and continue. Okay, so from there we are now inside. Okay, so as you can see, we are now logged in as admin. Okay, so if you are not logged in, that's good. So we are going to first log out. After logging out, okay, as you can see, we are now logged out. We can go to home. As you can see from there, let us go inside Burp. We are now logged out. Okay, so if you already logged out, that's good. Okay, that's good. So for me, I'm going to log out. After logging out, I'm going to go back in Burp. Then under proxy HTTP history, I'm going to highlight this last request. Just right click and then highlight. Let me highlight green like that. Okay, so if you don't have any request or any HTTP flowing in your Burp, make sure you can leave. Okay, you can leave highlighting. Okay, so we can go back. Let us go back. Okay, so we are now logged out. Okay, so what we are going to do, we are going to log in, okay, into the Matilde application as admin, okay, with the password admin. So okay, so let's do it. We are going to log in. Click on login. Okay, and after login, we are going to log in as admin, and then the password is going to be admin like that. Okay, so from there we are going to log in. Okay, so after logging in, note now we are going to be taken to this, we are going to be redirected to this page. Okay, so from there we are going now to log out of the application by clicking the logout button. Okay, from here. Okay, so we are going to click on logout. Okay, we're going to click on logout. Okay, and we can confirm by seeing this one, not logged in. Okay, so status update, user logged out, as you can see, and we are seeing this message that not logged in. Okay, as you can see here, not logged in. Okay, so we can verify that we are logged out by noting this not logged in message. Okay, so from there we can now view these steps as messages in Burp's proxy history tab. Okay, so we can go back. Let us go back inside Burp. Then proxy HTTP history. You can see now. So from our previous request, which is this one, our previous request. So what we can do now, we can, okay, so what we are going to do right now is what we are going to do, let us try to highlight there is a request where we try to log out. Where is it? It's right here. So do log out. This one here, right here. Okay, so so in Burp is so you should note that the logout performs a 302 redirect in an effort to not catch cookies or credentials in the browser. Okay, so as you can see, we have this status. Okay, 302, this one here. Okay, and yeah, this one. Okay, as you can see here. Okay, so from the Firefox browser, let us go back. in the Firefox browser, we can click the back button, okay? And if we click the back button, let us click the back button. So when we click the back button, as you can see, user authenticated, okay? So when we click the back button, you should notice that that we are now logged in as admin, even though we did not log in, okay? So this is possible because of the cached credentials stored in the browser and the lack of any cache control protections set in the application, okay? So that is possible because of that. Okay, so now what we are going to do, we are going to refresh or reload the page in the browser, and we are going to see that we are logged in, we are logged out again. So if we try to refresh, as you can see, we are logged, we are not logged in, okay? As you can see, we are now logged, we are logged out again, as you can see when we try to refresh the page, okay? So what we are going to do, we are going to examine the steps within the proxy HTTP history tab. So let us go inside the burp proxy HTTP history, and we are going to review the steps the steps you did through the browser against the message captured in the proxy HTTP history tab. Okay, so what we have, let us take a look at what we have here. So let us take a look at what we have here. So down here we are going to start with this one here, logged out. We have AU. Let me try to expand. Okay, so let us start with this one here. Okay, so let us start with this one here. As you can see, status 200. Yes, yeah. So what we are going to do, we are going to highlight these ones. So we are going to highlight 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so material main box, these ones here. Okay, so they all have AU. Okay. Okay, so we are going to examine these ones here. We are going to examine these ones here. So, okay, so as you can see, this request here is unauthenticated. So let us take a look at the render. So response. Then in the render tab, okay, let's wait. As you can see, this one not authenticated, as you can see, not logged in. Okay, as you can see here. So the request one, this one here is unauthenticated. Okay, this one here. Okay, and then from there, let us take a look at another request. Another one, let us take a look at another one, which is, let's take a look at another one where we were logged in. So where is it? As if we didn't highlight something that was required to be highlighted, so that we can differentiate. Okay, so for this one, as you can see, for this one, logged out. Then we have another one. Okay, so for this one, we are logged in, as you can see, login, and from there, yeah, from those ones we can take a look at all those. Okay, so there is no request captured when you press the browser's back button. Okay, there is no request that is captured there. So if we highlighted and we tracked everything, okay, we would have noted that there was no request that was captured when we pressed the browser's back button. Okay, this is because the back button action is contained in the browser. No message was sent through Burp to the web server to perform this action. Okay, so this is an important distinction to note. Okay, so nonetheless, we found a vulnerability associated with the weak browser caching protection, and in cases such as these, penetration testers will take a screenshot of the logged in cache page seen after clicking the back button. Okay, so that is it about this part. Thank you if you have liked the video and subscribed to the channel. Okay.